Welcome. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to resize the background of an image without affecting or stretching any object in the image. This is Peter from PTech. With no delay, let's dive into the lesson. After opening the image, convert the image into layer by clicking the layer lock icon. Select crop to and adjust the image. Adjust at any side. Let's try and transform it ordinarily. You can see this is wrong. Now undo the process. Select lasso tool and make selection of the object. And right click, then select save selection. Use any name. Click on edit and select content aware scale. Change this to selection you saved. Now adjust. You get it right. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel.